You can have a beautiful face, but you don't have a beautiful shape. God can't give you everything on your body. So we have to share. Some of the people, they have got a beautiful shape on their body, but their face are not beautiful like that. Yes, we have to accept God gives you. Even it shows in life that you can't have everything you want in your life. Sometimes you can have a lot of money, but you don't have kids. Sometimes you can have kids, money, but you don't have a husband to make you happy. Sometimes you can have a husband, money, but you don't have a child. So God can't give you everything in your life. So some of the things we have to share. So other people, they were crying that they want to have a man who loves them, what, but you have got money. You have got all the money you want everything, luxury cars, kids. Sometimes you can be a single mother. God say you can be a single mother, but you can't have a husband. So we have to share in life, even our bodies. We have to share. God gave other people a big shape, a good shape, beautiful one shape, but that person doesn't have a beautiful face like that. Other people, guys, they are very beautiful. Even you look at her face, she is beautiful. Look at her down on her body. She is not beautiful at body. You look at body that you can say, why she is beautiful at face, but her body is not beautiful. God can't give us equally, so we have to can't give us the whole things we want. So we have to share. It same applies as in life. We have to share. You understand it? So sometimes, guys,